G'day, I'm Yasmin and I'd like to show you how to get some of your favourite apps on your Englaon television. These TVs are designed for ease of use, so it is going to be a quick and painless process. Start by navigating to the Google Play Store. Now you may see Binge come on the first screen, so if so, just click on it and then select install. But if not, don't stress, simply make your way up to the search function and a keyboard will pop up and just type in Binge. Select search and then click on Binge and select install. Now you may have to wait just a little bit. Once that's done, you can open it and start using your app. But if you would like to add it to your favorites, select the home button, scroll along until you see the plus sign. You'll see Binge at the top, so you can select it. Now it's in your favorites on your home screen, so it's always easy to find. So with that done, all you have to do is open the app and sign in. Now, if you need more help with your Englaon TV, our YouTube channel has more handy guides to assist you with everything you need.